Yo.
Yeah.
Let me go here. Yeah, no.
Size and everything?
Yeah. Huh?
Is that what you said you wanted to go?
Yeah.
You filming?
Huh?
You filming?
Yeah. It's good though, beast. Just like no visibility. How much?
Did not foresee this.
Yeah. How much longer are we thinking?
What are you thinking?
I don't know. Depends. Maybe like,
We'll see.
yeah.
It's always awesome about the icon.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah, like I don't feel bad that we went in and took like a hour and a half break. That was worth it for sure.
Yeah.
My gloves low-key aren't that bad, so.
I think we were good to stay out as long as we did. It was pouring.
Yeah.
It was raining. It was raining. Such a bummer, man. Like just a couple degrees colder, and
Yeah.
it's like great snow all day.
Yeah, no, we were. That would have been massive.
Oh, look at that! It's in the all this down.
What? Oh shit! Yeah.
It's all settled down there.
That's wild.
Yeah. You
That's
can look up
good.
occlusion.
What the hell is that?
That's when this phenomenon is taking place. Cloud settled the base of the valley.
Ah. Yeah, that's pretty sick. I can't lie.
What's that? That I know that word, or that it's occurring, or both?
Both. I wonder if they'll have everything open at Christmas.
I mean, obviously, it just depends. They have not had very much snow though this year.
It's still pretty early, dog.
Yeah, I know.
I mean,
I'm
this
just
is
saying.
like. This has been like. What would you say? You think this has been most coverage we've skied at this time of year?
Yes.
So then.
But that's down here. I mean, because they've been blowing snow over here.
Oh yeah, I mean, but
I
if
just am thinking about what that guy said right here. He's like, wow, I haven't seen that coverage.
well, I mean, yeah, like if you look back to the videos that people took when on opening day, it was like there was
no, there was grass around.
Yeah, I was when we were inside, I was looking on like the Snapchat map, and it was like grass everywhere. Like somebody took a video on this chair, like down that way. It was just all fucking grass. Oh, that's why it's slowed down.
What's that?
They have the ski patrol.